Blake. Go surfing. Oh, pull your pants up, Grandpa. They're falling down.
My pants are falling down?
Yeah, they need to be higher.
I can't get them higher.
Okay, let me do it.
Grandma?
Grandma pants. I'm not a grandma, I'm my mommy. Okay, there it's better. Grandpa pants. Hey, oh, wipe out!
Grandpa!
Grandpa, pull the wipe out.
And who's Grandma?
Mrs. Grandma.
Your Grandma.
No, you've got two grandmas. You don't need another one. Okay, let's do your grandpa pants one more time, and then we'll say bye-bye. Uh-oh, what are you doing with that board? Okay, Grandpa Pants, do a dance for me. Can you do a dance?
No.
Oh, it's too busy with the car. Oh, okay. Say bye-bye.
Nope, I'm gonna be.
That's good enough, cut.
Alright. Bye-bye, Blake.